Can you record a Zoom meeting without the host knowing? Hi, I'm Dr. Benfinio, and that's a question I've gotten in several comments on my other Zoom tutorials. In this video, I'll go over the answer. Now, the short answer is that no, you cannot do the recording from within Zoom without the host knowing. For example, I'm going to hit record on Magic's computer here. If you've watched my other videos, you may notice that we have some different guests today. My daughter loaned me some of her Beanie Babies. And you will see that immediately on my host computer, I got a notification that the meeting is being recorded up here. And if I open the Participants tab, there is a recording icon next to the person who is doing the recording. So not only will the host know the meeting is being recorded, they will know who's doing it. So no, you cannot discreetly record a meeting from within Zoom. Now, that does not stop you from using a third-party screen recording program to record a meeting, but there are several reasons you would want to be very careful when doing that. First, if you're a student and you're thinking about recording something that you're not supposed to be recording and you post it online somewhere, your school sees it that you posted it on social media, that could get you in trouble. I am not a lawyer, none of this is legal advice, but some states have laws about consent for recording other parties, so if you record somebody without their consent, that could get you in trouble. And finally, even though it isn't visible directly in Zoom, the other people might be able to figure it out through some other hints. For example, you have to be careful if you're sharing your screen in this meeting, then they might see that you have another screen recording program open. So for example, I am recording this using Camtasia, which is screen recording software that I have a separate tutorial for. And when I hit my share screen button, you will see that I have Camtasia open and that I'm recording. So even if you have the other recording software open on your computer, you don't have that recording icon visible next to your name in Zoom, but you could inadvertently give away that you're recording. So again, technically, yes, you can record a Zoom meeting using some third-party program. This is just like how if you send somebody a secure message using a messaging app on your phone, there's no guarantee that they won't just take a screenshot of the message. So for teachers, that's a warning that yes, technically your students could use third-party recording software if you have concerns about privacy or copyright or students posting things online. And for students, that's a warning that you probably shouldn't do that if you're not supposed to be recording the meeting because it could get you in trouble. But I did want to address this since I have gotten the question a lot. So as always, I hope that was helpful. I have a lot of other Zoom tutorials. I think I'm up to 20 or more now. There is a playlist about those linked in the description. If you have a question, a comment, or a suggestion, please leave a comment below this video. Thank you.